teach you guys how to bake banana cake.
So guys, we're going to preheat the oven at 150 degrees for 20 minutes. Now the ingredients. 1.5 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of caster sugar, 3 A-size eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 cup of corn oil, 4 to 6 bananas, 1 teaspoon each of baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and sliced bananas for decoration.
Let's get baking.
Put the bananas into a bowl and mash them. Mash, mash, mash. Now we add in the flour with the baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then we sift. Sift, sift, sift. Now mix, mix, mix. Now we're gonna blend the eggs, the vanilla essence, and the caster sugar.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's blend, everybody.
Now pour the corn oil.
Get set, blend.
Pour them in the bowl and mix. After that, we pour it into a tray. Now we put the sliced bananas. Now let's bake it for 60 minutes. And boom, that's how it will look like. Yummy! Just Aisyah.